Yeah, so risk management, strategy without risk management at all in vain. But now having a very good risk strategy and having a very good risk management, it will really, really help you. So guys, now let's say, for example, now we all not the same, yeah. We have some people who maybe manage to deposit $1,000. Kuna ule mwingine mwenye ana manage to deposit $500. Kuna ule mwingine wa $100. Kuna ule mwingine wa 50, and so on forth, wa 20, wa 30, hivyo. But now if you are serious enough and you want and you really want to start this thing, you need some money. Some money, at least $100 and above, you'll be okay, or $50 and above. At least, let me say that it's legal to trade less than $50 account because you are not serious. You are trying to trade a $30 or a 20 or a 15 or a $7 account or a even $5 account and believing so that you will flip that amount to $1,000 and maybe withdraw and make some very good money. No, you can never make some life-changing money with those small accounts. You'll be just there making $10, maybe withdrawing. The next day you blow, you fund again, you blow, you make some good money, some little money, not good money, and then you're just in that circle there, whereby you are not making some very good money. But if you really understand the power of trading, if you really understand the consistent the power of this market, that it need good money to make good money. I need you to shift that mentality of lazima mimi tu niko na 10k, mimi tu niko na 5k ya kuweka kwa hii account. You know, I need you to shift that to say that okay, this thing need money. Kama ni sina pesa sahi, kama niko na hiyo 5k, kama niko na hiyo 10,000 Kenya shilling, maybe let me save, let me find pesa zingine and then I add more before even depositing that amount. At least ikifika 20k sasa hapo naweza deposit. Ikifika hata 15k naweza sasa weka. Rather than for me kuweka hii 5k inaenda niweke tena 5k ingine, mbona tu mbona tu usifanye nini? Mbona tu usiweke uweke until ikifika some amount, some very good amount. And then now you deposit. Rather than for you depositing your 2k, una deposit your 5k. Now, weka mahali or maybe what should I say? Save here, put your pesa kidogo, savings until ifike pesa kiasi, pesa mzuri, and then now you can deposit it on your account and start trading. At least start with a minimum of let's say $100. $100 ni kama 13,000. I know you have a phone more than even that money. And you are saying you're complaining that you can't even deposit 13,000. Usema hii pesa ni mingi sana. You're not serious. If you really want this thing to work on you. So at least more than $100 account. So if everyone or someone can sacrifice and deposit at least 100 what? $100 account. $100 account. So let's assume all of us took on $100 account. Let's just assume that. I know maybe kuna mwenye kona more, kuna mwenye kona less, na kuna mwenye kona hiyo. Now, what to take in a situation of, okay, now we just all have $100 account. Are you getting? We all have what? 100 USD account. Now, the question is now, how can we flip this amount? How can we reach to that level of having, or let's say even $1,000 above? Because now having $100 account, these are money that you are willing to lose. First of all, are you willing to lose this money or not? That's the first question. Hizi ni pesa ya rent, hizi ni pesa ya umekopa, ama hizi ni pesa zako? Because let me tell you, never try to come with maybe umeenda kuomba pesa mahali and then ukuje useme okay, now let me try the luck and flip this money. Unakutanga hata ndio inaenda. Trust me or not, I've been that situation. Going and unaenda kukopa pesa and then hoping or believing that okay, I'm going to flip this amount. It's gonna you're gonna lose this amount. This money, this $100. But now if you are okay losing that money, the first thing, if you're okay, you have made peace with it. If it goes, it's okay. I was trying. If you have made peace with it, first of all. So kitu ya kwanza nataka ufanye, make peace with this money. If it can go, it's okay. You tried your best. You're trying to flip this amount. So the first thing, let's assume all of us tuko na ngapi? $100 account. And now let's have some goals. Never come to this industry kama una goals or yes, usikuje with a mentality of now sina goals. Umekuja tu trade because you are seeing someone is making profit and then now umekuja tu kuingia tena. No. Sikuje na hiyo mentality. Come with the mentality of a goal of maybe in the next 2 weeks, in the next 3 weeks, in the next 1 month, in the next 2 months, where will you be? Let's say, let's have a week or let's have a goal of 1 month. Let's have a goal of 1 month, eh? 1 month, mwezi moja. So now, in the next 1 month, how much will this amount be? Hii pesa yetu itakuwa wapi in the next 1 month? Are you getting? In the next 1 month, hii $100 yetu itakuwa wapi? Will we, so, hapa sasa you go back. Now, I need remember, in the next 1 month, I'm not going to withdraw this money, the first thing. Kwa hiyo 1 month, I'm not going, so I'm going to withdraw at the end of this 1 month. So, for example, leo ni 28. So, the next, in the next 28, in May 28th. For example, leo tunaanzia 28. So the next 1 month. So in the next 1 month, I'll be consistent with this my $100 account nione nitafikisha wapi. So let's have goal. Are we going to flip this amount to how tunataka ifike ngapi? Ama ulikuwa na budget ya ngapi? Ulikuwa unataka ifike ngapi? Ulikuwa unataka ifike 500 au ulikuwa unataka ifike 600 ama ulikuwa unataka ifike ngapi? For example, for us, let's target that in the next 1 month, in the next 30 days, at least for account ifike at least $1,000. $1,000 what? $1,000. Okay? That's our goal in the next 1 month. So we are going to do a very good risk management on it. Tunaenda kuifanyia risk management before even we start our trading. So kwanza umeandika okay, now in the next 1 month, in this $100 account, at least ifike ngapi? $1,000. Okay? No, sasa hapo ndio goals zinakujia. I need you guys to make goals not for, okay, tuko na our general goal that in the next 1 month, our account lazima ifike ngapi? $1,000. Ikifika above, it's okay. But now first to target ngapi? Ifike $1,000 in the next 1 month. Ikifika more than, it's okay, no problem. But lazima ikuwe $1,000. Ikikuwa kuna plus, okay. But it's less than what? $1,000. Now remember we have $100 only. In the next 1 month, at least ifike ngapi? $1,000. Now, tunarudi sasa in our kwa weekly, daily, or now which view do we have? Now, we only have 4 weeks. For what? 4 weeks trading this amount. We only have 4 weeks. Trading this $1,000 to what? To $100 to what? $1,000. So we only have 4 weeks. We only have what? 4 weeks. Okay. Now, in these 4 weeks, sasa nafaa kujua because I need a weekly view, not a daily view. Guys, a daily view will even kill you mentally. Let me tell you. Ukuwa na daily view at lazima ufike each and every day. Ukuwe hapa, what if kuna siku yenye utapata setup? What if ile siku utakuwa na maybe hakuna hata setup, kuna news. Now I need us to have a weekly view. In 1 week, hii amount ifike ngapi? Next week. So we have 4 weeks. So we have 4 weeks of us turning this $100 to what? $1,000. Are you getting that? $100 to $1,000 in the next 4 weeks. So lazima tukue na week 1, week 2, week 3. Are you getting? So I need to have a table. So let me just draw a small table here. So hapa tuko na week 1, right? Hapa tuko na week 2, right? Hapa tuko na week 3. Hapa tuko na week what? Week 4. So remember, you are making this table. I need you also to make this table, yeah? Or I need you to, sorry, I'm recording, so I will upload it later. So kama uja record, you are okay. But first, elewa first of all. Elewa, what do I mean? Now, we have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Of us turning what? $100 to what? $1,000. I need to tell you that this thing is very possible. Make in mind that, okay, I can do this. So make it possible first in your mind. Know that, okay, this thing is very possible. I can do this. Okay? You can, by then you can turn any amount to the one you. Okay, I might be someone else might be saying how, but now there is a time I turned $200 account up to 5K. Then in last like in like 2 months, $200 up to 5K USD. Just following this kind of things that I'm trying to show you here. So please give me your mind, give me your eyes, listen. Now this is what we are going to do. Week one, our account balance should be reading $100 only, not more, not less. 100 moja na zero mbili. $100 $100 what? $100. Now, in this 1 week, we are going to do okay. Now, let's first have a general view. In the next 1 month, yeah, if you're having remember you should be just having a weekly view, not daily. So this week, maybe on a Monday. So we have Monday, yeah. We have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Thursday, and then Friday at the end of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, we have Wednesday there, we have Thursday, and then what? Friday. So tuko na siku hizi za trading. Okay? Let's say in Monday maybe utakuwa na trade, Tuesday umekuwa na trade, Wednesday umeenda stop loss, Thursday trade, Friday loss. Now, sasa sitaki kuangalia in a daily view because now this is a small amount, but again, I need us to have a weekly view. Then a weekly view, at least make sure each and every make sure that each and every week try to double that amount. Try to do what? To double that amount. Try to do what? To double that amount. Okay? So now this week, our goal is just to double this amount. 100 what to 200. So at least trying my best. Hata kama nimekuwa na stop loss hapa, nimekuwa na take profit hapa sija trade kabisa, hapa nimekuwa na loss na hapa nimekuwa na profit. At the end of the week, my account at least should be what? At $200. At the end of week one. Friday. Ona siku unakuja hapa Friday. Account yangu ikuwe ngapi? $200. Are you getting? $200 at the end of week one. Okay? At the end of week one, account yangu ikuwe ngapi? $200. Kukuwe na nini, ni trade aje, nikuwe na stop loss. You believe on your strategy. You also believe on yourself that you can do this. Having stop loss, having good risk to reward ratio, only choosing A setups, and I will come you to nakuja kuonyesha how to choose A setups. Only choosing A setups and so on forth. Believe me or not, you'll be able to achieve this. $200. Just double it. Ukipata setup mzuri and then now vile tulifanya jana having a very good risk to reward ratio, trust me or not, utakuwa hapa. Now week 2. Week 2 kazi yetu ni kufanya nini? Ni kuflip 200 until ifike ngapi? At least to double it. So 200 tuna double. Each and every week aim yetu ni kudouble our account. So in week 2, our amount should be from 200 to what? To 4, so from 200 to $400. At the end of naona nikuja Friday, lazima account yangu ikuwe nimedouble from 200 to what? To $400. That will be my target. So okay, nikienda kutrade ni trade vizuri, at least my 200 I will double it to what? To $400. That's my goal by the end of Friday. With losses, with profits, whatever it can take. Are you getting? So ukitrade Monday, hata ukifika goal yako, wachi hapo. Are you getting? Ukitrade Monday leo tu na upate what you wanted for the week. Stop your trading there, funga laptop, angalia wengine tu. I need you to have that that discipline of if you reach your target even on a Monday morning, stop greediness. Stop going back to the market. Because that now will take your amount. It will take all that profit, and also you can end up blowing account because you are trying to ukichukua trade and then now you hit your $400 $400 and you shall flip. Now utabaki kwa ile yake now. Kama nimefikisha hii 400 leo asubuhi na wiki mzima, je, sitafikisha 8,000? And now sasa hapo ndio unnecessary things zinakujia, unnecessary trades, unnecessary lot size, unnecessary a lot of things that usually ungefaa kufanya, and you end up going on losses. Sometimes you ended up even blowing that account because you're trying. Ukienda loss useme okay, now wacha sasa nirudishe ile amount because umeenda loss ya 200, account yako imerudi 200 tena. So you're trying to do what? You're trying to recover that amount that you lost, na unajikuta hata umeenda another loss. So please try to have discipline. Once if you hit your target, it's okay, wachia hapo, market aiende mahali, will come back. Now week 3 kazi yetu ni kufanya ni kudouble this amount, guys. Trust me, it's very possible, very 100% possible. Even though you are trying to flip this amount from so now from week 3, remember your account is about 400, right? So your goal of this week 3 is to double this amount from $400 to at least 800. I don't know how, but now using a very good lot size.
Hello.
Sorry, guys, I muted. Sorry, I muted. Sorry. Now, now, I was saying, having understanding. Now, week 3, our goal is to flip this amount to how much? To 800. That will be our goal for this week. Flipping this 400 to 800. So now, if anything happens, it's okay. But now try to secure that. Try to have that discipline. Try to have some very good zones that you are targeting in this market. So if I'm going to trade, my account should be at the end of the week. Should be at how much? Should be at $800, right? On Friday. On Friday. That will be my goal. At the end of the what? At the end of the week. If anything happens, I will try to secure my profits. I'll try to secure my account in week 3 until it reaches to this level of $800. Now, I come back now on week 4. I come back on a week 4. Week 4, my initial capital itakuwa ngapi? $800. Sorry. Week 4, my initial capital itakuwa $800. So I will try to do what? To double this amount. Hata kama sita double, but my aim is aim yetu ilikuwa ngapi? 100 to what? 1,000. But now week 4 imebakisha to $200 tu nimalizie. Now look at this. Hapa ndio makosa inakujanga. Because you are trying to use the higher lot size so that you can unaweza maliza challenge haraka and then you are done. So try your best. Try your best to do what? To trade this amount at least to get your 800 that you want. But now ikiweza pita more than that, the 200 that you want. But ikiweza pita more than that, that's okay. So 800 to what? To 1,600. 800 to what? To 1,600. So now I'm going to flip this amount to what? To $1,600. If ikifika hapo, it's okay. But now niko profit ya ngapi at the end of the day? 600. Remember, my initial target was this. But my aim of each and every week is to double this amount.
from $100 to 200, week 1, week 2, 200 to 400, week 3, 400 to 800, week 4, 800 to what? 1600. That will be my view, or that will be that will be that will be my target zones or my target levels. So please, now at the end of the week, in week 4, in our month that we are tulikuwa tuna target at least 600 $1,000 in profit, which tumefika nata tukapita. Do this, withdraw this amount. Hizi ziko juu, which will be 600. Withdraw $600. Withdraw $600. Account imebaki 1,000. Ulikuwa umefika ile aim yako. Now you can now withdraw this amount $600. Withdraw, chukua and ufanye kitu nataka. Usibakishe pesa kwa hii market ati sasa useme I will do this again. Ta flip this 600 to ama this 1600 to such amount. Never do that. So if you reach some very good amount in this market, that's okay. That's fine. You are very fine and wachana nayo hapo. More than that, withdraw, go eat that money. So nothing by then sometimes is guaranteed. Whenever you make some very good money in this market, withdraw, go thank yourself. Now come back again. Start, unaona vile ulifanya hapa ambapo ukafika hapa. The same thing that you are going to turn this $1,000 to more to 10K. Just have weekly goals and have monthly view. Usikuwe na ile short term ya 3 days ama 2 days and then you are done. Have some monthly or weekly view or achievement in this market. Are you getting? So if you have get me right, I know now umeelewa. So now whenever you make some very good money, withdraw that amount and ujibambe in any way that you want. Go buy yourself a pro farm again. Go buy yourself another, maybe upgrade on your MacBook, on your laptop, so on and forth. I get it. Now, what you did from turning $100 to $1,000, the same thing that you are going to do. You are turning $1,000 to $10,000, turning a 10,000 to 50K, turning 50K USD to 100K USD. Hivyo tu ndio wanafanyanga. Hakuna siri ingine. Trusting risk management and trusting the process and trusting your strategy. Are you getting? And ladies and gentlemen, that's how we do it. And I'm going now to show you the other side of how are we going to do this. How many trades are we supposed to take in a week? And what the risk to reward ratio that you are going to use in a specific week. You getting? I think so you'll be okay with that. So any question before we end up our class, our session?
So maybe what validates an A setup, B setup, and maybe a C setup? So that maybe I show this is an A setup.
So an A setup is a setup that have more than at least two to three things at the same time. Maybe on a trend line, maybe on another block, maybe on a very good entry at the same level. So understanding that having an A setup inahitaji vitu kiasi kama okay. Now I'll come to explain more. I will come to explain more because taking this kind of trades and targeting this kind of levels, you need some extra confirmation, and those extra confirmation it will really help. Extra confirmation kama having a very good risk to reward ratio, having at least two things matching at the same time kama ni trend line na OB, at least ifanane. At least you go the same point. You have a very A setup. I think so. That will be okay. That will be okay. Which I'm coming now to show you guys in the real charts tomorrow what we are going to have now in this market.
Yes, Isaac, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Yangu ni kuhusu Vale tax.
Mhm.
Nimejaribu ku deposit pesa ndani na kataa. Shida inaweza kuwa ni nini?
Maybe what do you mean? Your document haiko imeenda through vizuri. Maybe ama maybe iko pending. Maybe
Okay,
iko pending.
sawa
Hebu angalia hiyo. Look at that. I've shared my number, maybe you can unaweza saidiana, unaweza ni text throughout nione shida ni gani. I've pinned my number.
sawa.
Yes. Nice. So thank you so much guys for your time. Tupatane kesho the same time, the same place, and I'll have a good night.